Ideas for profit. This one comes in from our colleagues at Money Control Pro, and today we have Neha Dave joining in. Neha.
Today's idea is CSB Bank, which reported muted earnings in FY25 as profitability was dragged down by a sharp fall in margins and elevated operating expenses. However, the management has guided return on asset to be in the range of 1.5 to 1.8% and return on equity around 15 to 17% in FY26. Now, what will drive the improvement in profitability going forward? CSB Bank will benefit from the sharp fall in interest rates because 60% of its loan book is fixed rate in nature, which will not get repriced lower immediately. Also, around 45% of its loan book consists of gold loans, which will continue yielding around 11 to 12%. Hence, management is confident of maintaining the net interest margin of 4% in FY26. ROA kicker can also come from non-interest income as the bank's investment book will benefit from the fall in the GSEC yields. The key growth constraint for a small bank like CSB Bank was the liability book or the deposit book because of the tight liquidity in FY25. However, with the liquidity condition improving, the management is much more confident of the asset growth in FY26. Most importantly, CSB Bank benefits immensely from its gold loan portfolio, which offers higher yield but has lower credit costs and lower risk weights. In terms of valuation, the stock is currently trading at around 1.2 times the book value estimated for FY27. The valuation is attractive given the return ratios and a growth potential on a small balance sheet.
Okay, all right. Well, time to slip into a short break. But remember to